the women who have been here, you'll hear your names, who have been part of developing this first gender policy for Aruba. It's 2022. We finally have a gender policy with an action plan and a monitoring and evaluation framework. It is a guide and a plan of action for everybody, for government, for the private sector, for NGOs, and for each and every one of us. Because the reality is that we still have gender inequalities, not only in Aruba, as we know, but the world around. And we cannot have sustainable development, we cannot have progress in our world, and we cannot have just societies and fair societies and resilient societies without eliminating discrimination against women. Very often they ask me, why women? Because all statistics unfortunately show that women are the ones, by and large, who still need to advance in social, economic, and definitely still in political life. It's 2022, and we got our first female prime minister in Aruba, and the Netherlands still doesn't have one. Incredible. So, you know, it's not for nothing that we have that. And that's why as well, I put here what the term gender is for all of you to be able to see, because it's a broad term. So the term gender is used to describe